we are going to talk about the javelin catch and how to do it. Looks fairly simple, but there's a little nifty trick that you need to apply in order to get this right. Now, most of the time, the javelin catch comes from a hinge position first, so some sort of hinge swing. And that gives us that outward momentum for us to oppose and then pull back on. That's when we can switch our grips, the mace momentarily goes into free fall, and then we catch it again, having changed grip. So at the moment, I have an upward thumb grip in the hinge. When we catch in the javelin, I'm becoming a downward thumb grip. So the trick here is, as we hinge, we come up and rotate your wrist so the mace handle is on top of your forearm. If it's underneath, as you release and pull, your own elbow or armpit is going to get in the way. What we prefer to do is come in and catch above the shoulder. You're going to be able to absorb more of the impact. You're going to be able to absorb more of the force. I'll do it from a closer angle. As we hinge, we come up, rotate the wrist, and then pull back sharply. At that moment, we let go. As the mace travels, we can then catch. Generally, you want to try and aim to catch on about the center of mass of the mace, maybe a bit higher towards the head, because if you catch a bit too low down on the choke, when you catch, it dips forward again. So one more time. Hinge, twist, pull, catch on the center of mass or a little bit closer to the head. Have fun with that one. Stick it in your flows.